Hi, I'm Michelle Smart. I'm an enrolled agent. I want to talk to you a little bit about the ERC Voluntary Disclosure Program and the withdrawal of the ERC form. So some of these programs are ending March 22nd, 2024. So if you want to get in on this, it's imperative that you act immediately. So this program was promoted by a lot of people who were not understanding the severity of the qualifications for the program, or rather the details of it, and they just thought everyone qualified. This was kind of the case with the PPP, and people got in this mindset, here's free money, let's take it. The PPP qualifiers were just basically that you felt that you were not sure about the future of your business due to COVID, and that was pretty much it. And you got 2.5 months worth of wages for free, and then you just had to apply for forgiveness, showing that you used it in the proper way. Now, the ERC is different in that you have to qualify very specifically by partial suspension according to the laws, and or you can qualify by gross receipts. I won't go into that now. Hopefully you've checked out some of that information. I have other videos on qualifying by partial suspension in great detail, as well as the 7 things that the IRS is looking at and wants you to make sure you qualify by going over those 7 points. That's on other videos that I have. So let's get into this program. And now there are 2 options. So let's look at this one. This is withdrawing an employee retention tax credit claim. So this means that you've sent in your 941X. If you have not yet received a payment, then you can withdraw the claim. And what you do is you fill out this you copy your 941X, you write withdrawn, and it's signed by an officer. This gets sent in, and I will just leave the link here. I'm not going to go into all the detail, but essentially, if you haven't got paid, you send it in and say withdrawn. Now, what happens if you are under audit? So this is scenario number 1. How to withdraw is if you haven't got the money and you're not under audit, you can send that in. Okay. Now, scenario number 2, which is B here. You have not received a refund, but you have received notice that you're under audit. So you can also withdraw, and under that withdrawal, you send it to just basically to a different location, and you wait to hear back. So that's basically the withdrawal program. Now, there's a secondary program, and this is the voluntary disclosure program that ends on March 22nd. So this is, you've already got the money, and now you're doubting, now you're hearing this information and the scrutiny from the IRS, and you're not sure you have reviewed the 7 points that the IRS has brought out about what they're looking at, how you have to qualify. Maybe you've done a little more research and you don't believe that you really qualified to get the ERC. So you can voluntarily withdraw. So the advantage of the withdrawal is that you get to keep 20% of that refund. That's free. So you can keep that. You need to repay the ERC. You need to agree to repay the rest of it, and you don't have to repay the interest income that you got for it. And that 20% money is not taxable to you, so you don't have to amend your tax returns. So there are a lot of advantages to doing this. So how do you do it? There's an application form here that you have to fill out. I'm not going to go into all that detail. I think you're smart enough. You can figure that out. There's other videos on this, but you'll be signing that you're going to repay it and working that out with the IRS. So this program ends March 22nd, 2024. So that, as of this recording, is coming up within a week. So if you don't think that you qualify, I suggest you look into this, double check. If you worked with me, I've gone through all the qualifications and I've noted everything and all of the laws and how you qualify. But if you didn't really qualify and you were falsely told that everyone qualifies and no one really did an interview with you and checked the laws, then this program may be the thing for you. So I'm Michelle Smart. I'm an enrolled agent. If you have any questions, please leave a like and questions below. I will leave you the links. Thank you so much for watching.